Oh, good day. Let me just quickly stand back. Oh, Christ. You're actually going to do it? Down! Get it! Dang it. He's running away! Now it is our chance to get him. Go. Flip through the wall again. Oh my god, do I fucking need to help you? Here, let me help you. See? It's working. You bitch. Just keep going. Heck over. I accidentally hit you, boy. I'm sorry. My bad. Oof. Oof. Yes. What are you doing? Nicolas Cage? Is that you? I need to get in front of his face to make sure. Are you really him? Well then, I am getting off right now, so bye-bye. You bitch. Get over here. You will get over here, you boy. You bitch. Get over here. Get off my land. Get off my land. Mine. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Such a guy, he doesn't talk. I am going off alone. Aha! Did I tell you guys? Oh, I'm a bully. Did he just call me? No. Not. House.
Remade. Add sunglasses. Não, mas eu
Let me quickly punish this guy. There we go. I just punished the guy. Yeah. Okay, my children. What the hell are you guys doing? Okay, you bitches, get the fuck outside now. Get outside now! What the fuck did I just say? Get the fuck outside, you bitch! Get outside, you bitch! Yes, my child. Yes.
Ouch! Oh, I found one HP. No. sick.
You son of... Gosh darn it.
And now they're now escaping.
Oh, Daddy's here. Daddy is here. Daddy is here. Daddy is back. It's Christ.